Hi, this is Jennifer coming to you from the JennScents Aromatherapy, and today we have, for our 1-minute scent break, we are going to be using cedarwood and frankincense. So both of these are very grounding. They're earthy. Cedarwood, which we're going to smell right now, so Cedrus atlantica. Very earthy. It's got a hint of sweet and balsamic essences to it. It's going to bring this inner strength to us. It's going to make us feel strong and confident and really just balanced in who we are, helping with self-acceptance. But then also just with our mind being strong enough to know that we can conquer anything we set out to do today, this month, or this year. The other one that I'm going to start diffusing with that, so I'm going to put these two together as my scent break today, that is frankincense. So take that. You're going to breathe that in, and again, very earthy and grounding. There's some camphracous essences to that, so it's going to be very connecting. So while we're having strength, we're going to couple that with feeling connected. So we're connected to our core, we're connected to our strength. So that's today's 1-minute scent break, and we'll see you next time.